and welcome to my channel. I am Action Jacqueline. Today we are going to do the 300 challenge. What is that? Well, I made it up, so let me show you what it is. We are going to do 3 moves. We're going to do push-ups, crunches, and squats, 300 reps. So we are going to split it up into groups of 20, and we are going to do 5 rounds of that, which equals 300 reps total. Super exciting, really fun. It's just a really great way to challenge ourselves, and this is going to be a full body total workout. So this is one of those videos that you can come back, do over and over again, and test where you're at. It's really great to test that out and see how far you can get every single time you come back. All right, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, and let's get started. Okay, so like I said, we're going to do squats to begin. You can add a booty band for the squats if you'd like. It's just an option. But if you want to take it up a notch and you want to feel a little crazy like me, then you can add a booty band, okay? So we're going to do squats with hands behind the head, 20 like that, okay? So we'll do 5 rounds like I mentioned, and then we're going to do push-ups. So you can do them on your knees or your toes. Okay, fingers are spread out on the floor, elbows are nice and wide, and then we are going to do 20 crunches. And we're gonna be on our backs, and you're gonna reach up towards those feet 20 times, all right? So this is going to be really fun. Get your booty band if that's what you are doing. And let's go ahead and get started on our 300 rep challenge. Super exciting. All right, legs are nice and wide, hands go behind the head, and let's go. So 20, it's a lot easier to break it up into chunks like this. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. And this is also a killer workout because you are working everything in this challenge here today. Good. And 10, 9, if you would like to modify, you can bring your hands right here in front of you. It makes it a little bit easier, all right? So you wanna make sure that you're sticking that booty back, all the way back, all right? Getting the weight in the heels and working those booties and hamstrings. And 1, nice job. All right, we're gonna go into our push-ups. So you can do them on your toes or on your knees. Here we go, 20 times. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Whew. Okay, it's our first round. Are we gonna make it through? Yes, we are. Okay, do you know why? Because we're doing it together. That's why. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up. All right. I'm keeping track right here. So that was our first round. We've got 4 more rounds to go. We're going to take a little breather, just a few seconds here. I love doing these rep challenges. If you haven't seen my other rep challenges on my YouTube channel, definitely go recommend that you go check those out. When you work out, sometimes it's hard to talk. Okay, here we go. And 20, 19. I've got the 100 rep bar sculpted leg challenge, 30-day challenge. So a new video every single day for 30 days. That one is really fun. I've also got the 100 rep 6-pack abs challenge, which is also another 30-day challenge. So make sure that you go check those out on my YouTube channel if you have not yet. All right, 10, 9, 8, good, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, going on to the push-ups. Here we go. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Onto our backs. Whew. All right. So legs are up. Here we go. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, onto our backs for the abs. I'm gonna switch the abs up every round, okay? So this one, we're going to lay out 20 times. So you're going to extend and pull in. Extend, pull in. Ready? 20 times. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, we've done 2 rounds. Let's go ahead and get into our 3rd round right here. Grab your booty band if you are joining me with that. Whew. So fun to challenge ourselves, because sometimes I think through these challenges we realize how much stronger we actually are than we realize, and that's always so good. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So I like to do the band because it reminds my glutes to fire up, since my glutes are always a little sleepy. So it gives me that extra activation on my glute meads, especially right here. And it also helps to engage my inner thighs. So it's just a mind-body feedback. It's not too intense, right? It's really more for activation. So it's not just all in my quads. Nice, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Okay, on to the push-ups. We usually always have a favorite, right? I would say push-ups are my least favorite. Okay, here we go. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Yeah, definitely always happy when I'm done with those. Okay, so now we're going to switch it up for our abs each time. We're gonna crisscross here. We're gonna keep the legs straight, make our little yogi gun, and we're gonna switch side to side, okay? 20 times, here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, come on up. I'm gonna mark round 3 so I don't get confused. Okay, we're on to our 4th round. Okay, so take a little deep breath in. Here we go. Hands behind the head, and let's begin. What I love about these challenges too is that it really pushes you to work on your form in that one move, right? I love variety, don't get me wrong, but sometimes there's a lot we can do with just one move, right? You can really work on your back strength here. You can work on pressing the knees open. You can work on getting low. You can work on keeping the elbows back. You can work on keeping the weight in the heels. So there's a lot you can do in just one move. Good. 3 and 2 and 1. You can also work on speed, right? Trying to speed it up in those. Push-ups, of course, there's just, building strength with each and every rep. Trying to keep the core tight. Let's go. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Wow. All right, guys, those are tough. Okay, for this one, we're gonna go, on our hands and feet again. Legs are gonna be wide. We're gonna extend one leg and arm at the same time, okay? Working on that core 20 times. Here we go. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. You've got this. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, that was slightly torturous because it was so slow. Okay, this is our last round. Went by so fast, right? Kind of. Okay, last round. Give it your all. I am sweating, breathing hard, all the good things. Let's go. Toes out, core tight, booty out. Let's go. And 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Again, it's our last round. 12, 11, 10, 9. Keep that chest up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! 100 for that one. Here we go. Can't wait to celebrate on the rest. Let's do this. And you can put your knees down if you need to at any point for the push-ups. And let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, oh my gosh, 2, and 1. Oh wow. Definitely shaking on those. Okay, we've got a finisher here. We're gonna do body hollow rocks. Hollow body rocks. Okay, so hands are gonna come around behind the head and we're gonna rock like this, okay? We're gonna do sets of 10. I'm warning you, I can't really talk in these. So 2 sets of 10. Here we go. Legs are nice and straight, arms are straight, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and 1. Okay. Now, if those are too difficult for you, then I would go back to these. Reach and in, reach and in, okay? That's a great modification. This is it. Our last 10. Whew. We can do it. We are so strong. You are so strong. Let's go. And 10, 9, and 100, 300, legs, abs, arms. You did it. High five. Great job. This was tough. And remember, you can come back and do this as many times as you like. Track your score. See where you stopped last time. Keep track, come back. Keep building and building. That's how you build strength. Literally 1 rep at a time. It's as simple as that. All right, guys, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Comment below, let me know what you thought of this. And I will see you in the next video. Make sure you're checking in with me on Instagram. I'm Action Jacqueline. And also our community is the Stretchy Fit app, #StretchyBabe. All right, love you, bye.